Hello kids and welcome to my channel The Curious Panda. I'm a panda teacher and in this video we are going to solve a previous year Olympiad problem. And towards the end of the video I am going to ask you another related advanced problem and I would expect you to solve it. Post the answer in the comment box below and I would reply to each and every one of you. Now let's go to today's question. Okay, so today we are going to do a clock problem and this problem was asked in Mathematics Olympiad 2024-2025 set C. So last year only this question was asked. Let's first read the question, understand the question and then we will tackle or try to solve it. So Mehak went for picnic with her friends at the time shown. So at this time, whatever the time it is, Mehak goes for picnic with her friends. If they came back after 2 hours and 20 minutes, then at what time did they come back from picnic? So Mehak leaves for picnic with her friends at the time shown in the clock. Time shown in the clock here. And after 2 hours and 20 minutes, she returns back and we have to find at what time she has returned back to her home. Now, this is obviously a very simple question. Towards the end of the video, I have a little advanced problem for you. We'll discuss that. But for now, please pause the video, solve this question, and I will run a timer of 5 seconds. We will meet after the timer is done and solve the question together. Great. I hope you'd have already solved the problem. If not, we will solve it together. But if you want to solve more such questions, if you want to solve 18 previous year Olympiad question paper, I have that for you at just rupees 89. Just go to the description box below. You will find the link over there. Click on it and you can purchase it at just rupees 89. Now let's go and find what the solution for this question would be. Okay, so let's solve the problem. We have already read it. I think again, we just read it again. Mehak went for picnic with her friends at the time shown. So what is the time shown over here? We can see the time shown over here is nothing but 5 hours. So the hour hand is closer to 5. The minute hand is closer to 2, which is nothing but 10 minutes. So the time that is shown is 5:10 a.m. or p.m., right? It doesn't matter to us. The time that is shown is 5:10, right? Now, if they came back after 2 hours and 20 minutes, so they spent there for 2 hours and 20 minutes, they return back after 2 hours and 20 minutes. So you just have to add 2 hours 20 minutes to 5:10, right? Then at what time did they come back? So if we just added 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So the trick over here is if the sum becomes more than 60, right? If it would have been, say for example, I'll just give an example. Say it would have been 5:40 a.m. or p.m. they leave and say we are adding 2 hours and 20 minutes. So what would happen is if we sum it, 0, 4 plus 2 is 6. So whenever 6 comes in, it becomes 0 and 1 carries over to that side, right? Every 60 minute is 1 hour. So every time it exceeds 6, the difference comes over here and then you carry 1 over to the other side. So it is nothing but 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So it would be 8 o'clock. I mean, this is just an example, but let's come back to the problem. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, and this 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is 7:30. The answer is B, right? But if you want to solve it looking at just the clock, the time that is shown is 5:10. 2 hours from here, it would be 7:10, right? 2 hours from here, from 5:10 to 1 hour from 5:10 would be 6:10. Then another hour would be 7:10, right? So after 2 hours, the time would be 7:10. And then 20 minutes more will be what? This is 5 minutes more, this is 10 minutes more, this is 15 minutes more, this is 20 minutes more. So it comes out to be 7:30. So on option number B is your answer. I hope you'd have already solved the question. If you did get it correctly, clap for yourself, give yourself a star. And if you did not to worry, I'm sure you have learned something new today, and so any question like this you will be able to solve pretty easily, right? So for that also, please give yourself a clap, right? Now let's go to the advanced problem that we had discussed, right? Now, uh, this question we have already solved, saying Mehak, what time she comes back from picnic. But in the advanced question, it says, before leaving for the picnic, Mehak took 20 minutes to get ready, right? She takes 20 minutes extra to get ready and 1 hour 20 minutes to cook, right? So she takes 20 minutes extra to get ready, 1 hour 20 minutes for cooking. She cooked for the picnic, of course. What time did she start cooking? So we have to find out that what time did she start cooking, and from the time that is given, that is 5:10, we have already discussed that. So 20 minutes prior, she took 20 minutes to get ready and 1 hour 20 minutes to cook, right? So at what time she started cooking, right? So you have to find the answer. Please let me know the answer in the comment section below, and I will reply to each and every one of you whether the answer is correct or not. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you want to purchase 18 previous question paper, go to the description box. You will find a link and you can purchase it from there. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.